200 years ago, the skies of North America were ruled by a single bird, the passenger pigeon. Their peak, passenger pigeons numbered in the billions, forming the largest flocks ever recorded in the history of life. Higher forests became cities of wings and feathers, where millions nested together in towering colonies. But humans discovered how easy it was to harvest these massive flocks, and hunting quickly became an industry. Within only a few decades, billions of birds became thousands, then almost none. The last passenger pigeon, named Martha, and with her, a species that once filled the sky, disappeared forever.